Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to unlock new legends in Apex Legends. When you start the game, you only have a few legends available. To unlock more, you mainly need legend tokens or Apex coins, which are this and this. The free way is by using legend tokens. Every time you level up, you earn 600 tokens. Each legend costs 12,000 legend tokens, so just keep playing, leveling up, and save your tokens. If you want to unlock legends instantly, you can use Apex coins, which are bought with real money. This is optional and only for players who want faster access. To unlock a legend, go to the Legends Locker tab, select the locked legend, click Unlock Legend, and choose whether you want to purchase it with Apex coins or legend tokens. There are also special legend bundles or season pass offers that sometimes unlock multiple legends at once, so keep an eye out on the store. And that's it. That is how you unlock legends in Apex Legends.